Imagine this, Earth with rings, not just any rings, but bright, beautiful rings like Saturn's. It sounds like something out of science fiction, right? But what if it wasn't? What if our planet had these celestial hula hoops circling us? How would it change our world? Let's dive in and explore this fascinating possibility. First things first, what would Earth's rings be made of? Like Saturn's rings, ours would likely be a dazzling mix of rock, ice, and dust. These tiny particles, remnants from comets, asteroids, or even shattered moons, would be caught in Earth's gravitational pull, forever dancing around us. Imagine looking up and seeing these shimmering particles, each one telling a story of the early solar system. Now let's talk about the view. Imagine a world where the sky is not just a vast expanse of blue or a canvas for the stars at night. Imagine a world where the sky itself is transformed into a breathtaking spectacle, a constant reminder of the wonders of the universe. Earth's rings wouldn't just be a distant spectacle, they would dominate our sky. These rings would be a permanent fixture, visible from every corner of the globe, creating a sense of unity and shared wonder among all inhabitants of Earth. Imagine looking up at night and seeing a massive, luminous band stretching across the heavens. This band would be so bright and vivid that it would outshine the moon and stars, casting a gentle glow over the landscape and creating a serene, almost otherworldly atmosphere. The rings would be visible during the day, too, casting ethereal shadows on Earth's surface. These shadows would shift and change with the movement of the sun, creating a dynamic and ever-changing play of light and shadow that would add a new dimension to our daily lives. Our planet would have a whole new look, a cosmic makeover that would leave us in awe. From space, Earth would appear even more magnificent, with its rings adding a touch of celestial elegance to its already stunning appearance.
Wow, just thinking about that view gives me chills. It's like something out of a science fiction movie, but it could be our reality. It would be like living in a dream. Every night, we would be treated to a spectacular light show, a reminder of the beauty and mystery of the universe.
Wait, so you're saying we'd have this giant light show every night? That's mind-blowing. Just imagine the impact it would have on our culture, our art, and our understanding of the cosmos.
Exactly. The rings would not only be a visual marvel but also a source of inspiration and wonder. They would remind us of our place in the universe and the incredible forces that shape our world. It would be an unparalleled spectacle, transforming our skies and our perception of the cosmos. The rings would be a constant reminder of the beauty and mystery of the universe, inspiring us to look up and dream of the possibilities that lie beyond our world. One of the most dramatic changes would be to our nights. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing not just the moon and stars, but also a series of bright rings encircling the Earth. These rings would transform our nightscape in ways we can hardly fathom. Forget moonlight, we'd have ringlight. The serene, gentle glow of the moon would be replaced by a constant, more intense illumination from the rings. The rings would reflect sunlight, making our nights significantly brighter. This artificial brightness would turn our nights into a perpetual twilight, altering the natural rhythm of day and night that we have known for millennia.
Hoo! As an owl, I must say, I might have to adjust my hunting schedule. The increased light would make it harder for me to sneak up on my prey. Those rings would really mess with my night vision. My eyes are adapted to low light conditions, and this new brightness would be quite a challenge.
This constant illumination would have a profound impact on wildlife, affecting animal behavior. Nocturnal animals like owls and bats rely on the darkness to hunt and navigate. The perpetual twilight would disrupt their natural activities, potentially leading to a decline in their populations and sleep patterns. Astronomers would face new challenges too. The ring's brightness would interfere with their observations of distant stars and galaxies, making it harder to study the universe. The increased light pollution would obscure the faint light from distant celestial objects, complicating the work of astronomers. They would need to develop new techniques and technologies to overcome these challenges and continue their exploration of the cosmos. For the rest of us, stargazing would never be the same. The rings would dominate the night sky, making it difficult to see the stars and constellations that have guided humanity for centuries. Our connection to the cosmos would be altered as the rings become a constant reminder of our technological advancements. In urban areas, the impact would be even more pronounced. The combination of city lights and the ring's illumination would create an almost daylight-like environment, further blurring the line between night and day. This could have significant effects on our sleep patterns and overall health, as our bodies struggle to adapt to the new light conditions. People might need to take extra measures to ensure they get enough rest, such as using blackout curtains or sleep masks. The constant light could lead to increased stress and fatigue, as our bodies are deprived of the natural darkness they need to rest and rejuvenate. Scientists and researchers would need to study the long-term effects of this new light environment on both humans and wildlife. They would work on developing solutions to mitigate the negative impacts, such as creating new types of lighting that minimize disruption to natural rhythms. As we adapt to this new reality, our cities and lifestyles would evolve. We would find new ways to balance the benefits of technological advancements with the need to preserve our natural environment and well-being. The rings would become a symbol of our progress, but also a reminder of the delicate balance we must maintain with the world around us. Section 5. The Moon's new rival rings and their influence. But the rings' influence wouldn't stop there. They would also affect Earth's tides and seasons. The ring's gravity would tug on our oceans, potentially leading to more extreme tides. The way the rings interacted with sunlight would also influence our planet's temperature and climate, potentially altering the seasons as we know them. Section 6. Space Travel 2.0, Navigating the Rings. Space travel would never be the same. Launching rockets and satellites would require navigating this celestial obstacle course. Collisions with ring particles, even tiny ones, could be catastrophic. Space agencies would need to develop new technologies and strategies for space exploration in this ringed era.
Oh boy, dodging those ring particles would be like playing the ultimate game of space dodgeball.
Section 7. Ringside Jobs, New Careers in a Ringed World. Imagine a world where the sky is adorned with magnificent rings, much like Saturn's. This celestial phenomenon would not only be a visual marvel, but also a catalyst for a plethora of new career opportunities. The presence of rings would also create new industries and job opportunities. From the development of space tourism to the establishment of research facilities, the possibilities are endless. Companies would spring up focusing on everything from ring maintenance to space agriculture. We'd need ring observers to monitor the rings for any changes or potential hazards. These professionals would use advanced telescopes and satellites to keep a constant watch, ensuring the safety of both the rings and the people living beneath them. Their work would be crucial in predicting and mitigating any potential threats, such as ring debris or space weather events.
And ring miners could extract valuable resources from the rings, like water ice for space missions. These miners would operate in zero-gravity environments, using specialized equipment to harvest materials that could be used for everything from fuel to building habitats. The extraction of these resources would be a game changer for space exploration, providing the necessary supplies for long-term missions.
And let's not forget the ring tour guides who would shepherd eager tourists for a closer look at this celestial wonder. These guides would be well versed in the history and science of the rings, offering educational and awe-inspiring tours. They would lead expeditions, both virtual and physical, allowing people to experience the rings up close. This new form of tourism would not only be a source of entertainment, but also a means of fostering a deeper appreciation for our place in the universe. Section 8. A Cosmic Makeover from Culture to Philosophy.
Culturally, the rings would be a constant source of inspiration.
Artists, writers, and musicians would find endless inspiration in their beauty and mystery.
Our understanding of our place in the universe would shift. We wouldn't just be Earthlings, we'd be the inhabitants of the ringed planet. Section 9. Searching for life. Are we still alone?
The presence of rings could even impact the search for extraterrestrial life.
Would other ringed planets be more or less likely to harbor life?
The discovery of Earth's rings could provide valuable insights into the conditions needed for life to arise and evolve in the universe.
Section 10. A New Perspective Earth, the Ring Bearer. Having rings would be a constant reminder of the vastness and wonder of the cosmos. Each night, we'd be treated to a breathtaking celestial display, reminding us that our planet is just one small part of a much larger, awe-inspiring universe. Section 11. Conclusion. A Universe of Wonder. While Earth having rings is purely hypothetical for now, it's a fascinating thought experiment. It makes us appreciate the delicate balance that makes our planet unique and reminds us of the infinite possibilities that exist in the vast expanse of space.